This is ridiculous.
But sir, that is Pauline's diary.
I don't mean this diary. I mean your accusation against Mr. Delgado.
But sir, his initials are in that diary.
This is another person, not Mr. Delgado. Do you know what Mr. Delgado, your suspect, did on February 14, 1986?
He killed Pauline, sir.
On February 14, 1986, Mr. Delgado got married in San Sebastian Church. It was his wedding that day. I was there, and some of the faculty members were there. And after the reception, Mr. Delgado and his bride went up to Baguio and did not return to Manila until after 1 week. Do you think may sisingit pa ni Mr. Delgado ang pagkidnap niya kay Pauline habang silang mag-asawa ay nag-honeymoon sa Baguio? Ay, naku, Mr. Corda. I think you're watching too many movies. And as for you, Mr. Kiroy,
Sir?
you should do better than wasting your time and intelligence in this...
Lenny.
Mr. Corda,
Sir, wala ako. Nahihilo lang ako.
are you sure you're feeling well?
Sir, okay lang. Nahihilo lang.
Mr. Kiroy, you better take her to the clinic. The doctor is there.
Tara. Ako na magdadala.
You should skip lunch, Mr. Corda. Punta ka na lang sa kantit, kumain ka ng sandwich. Gutom lang yan. Then buy this and take it.
Huh? Thank you, doctor.
Salamat po, Doc. Thank you. Lenny, ba't mo ba ako tinawag?
Alam ko na kung sino yung MD sa diary ni Pauline, Matthew. Si Dr. Policarpio.
Masarap sinaling ako, ah.
Lenny, imposibleng mangyari si Dr. Policarpio dahil hindi siya pwede. Ngayon lang siya pumasok dito eh. Ngayon lang siya nagtrabaho dito. Tsaka, wala na sa'yo yung diary ni Pauline. Pabayaan mo na yun. Nasa principal na yun. Huwag na problemahan nyo. May chess game ako ngayon eh.
Chess? Sorry na, istorbo kita. Mag-chess ka na nga lang.
Halika na, hatid na kita.
Wag na ho, sir. Magko-commute na lang ho ako.
Halika na. Doon naman ako dadaan sa may inyo eh. Bakit? Natatakot ka ba sa akin?